Hello everyone, Morgan here. I am back with another video here to share a quick burst of cleaning motivation to help us get up and get motivated today. Now, as you can see, my kitchen needed some help. And to be honest, I was procrastinating because of how bad it looked. So if you have some to-do items that you are just putting off because maybe they aren't looking like a lot of fun, let's get up and let's get going. And I hope that this video motivates you to do so. Now, this didn't actually take me very long, but let's get some music on and let's jam out and get it done. I like to keep all of my son's dishes separate from everything else, so that's what I use this gray tote to do. Do you guys wash your baby's dishes with everything else, or do you separate them out? I am still using baby soap to wash all of his dishes and typically sanitizing them in the dishwasher. But what do you guys do? How many of you out there tend to pre-rinse your dishes? This is oatmeal, and I do regret not pre-rinsing this after I was done cooking with it. Oatmeal is one of those things that definitely sticks to the inner side of the pot, especially the rim of the pot. And whenever I don't pre-rinse because I'm in a hurry or whatever the case may be, I always regret it. We do have a dishwasher and I love using that, but we don't often have enough dishes to really fill it, so I feel like I'm wasting water, or I want to use it for doing baby things and sterilizing them because I think that's easier than boiling water. And yes, I'm a first-time mom. I still sterilize everything. Do you guys sterilize your stuff for your baby? Let me know in the comments below. And there you have it. The kitchen is completely cleaned. I can go ahead and relax and enjoy some family time with my son. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the family for some more. Hit that big red button down below, and I will see you on Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Central. And until that next one, bye-bye. Are you still here? Check out those videos here on the screen for a little bit more content just like this.